Let's make a hitch for the Camaro. There is no hitch available for these that I can find anywhere online. Just a couple of potato phone pictures from Nasty Z28 a long time ago. And I modified this rear bumper and bumper cover. And I also put a kill switch right in the way of doing the hitch. So I got to make my own. I'm a couple plastic mock-ups in. This one I was pretty happy with the way it all turned out. So I have my buddy laser me some 1/4-inch steel plate, and we're going to make this final. These will be my two pieces about like so. Well, shit, I'm getting this mocked up here. The spot where it needs to be, where I have the kill switch set up. And this big old hole is supposed to be a 1/2-inch hole, so I can run a bolt right there. And then the other plate that goes to it, it's supposed to be a 1-inch hole to give room for the bolt. So if I use it as is, I'm not going to get to use this bolt, which isn't the end of the world, but it would have been nice. See, on my mock-up here, these are two different size holes because we'll have a bolt holding this in place, and then there'll be room for the bolt head on this one. Alright, I got all the holes drilled here in the bumper. The bolts are kind of a freaking nightmare to get to with no room in between the tail panel. So I'll figure all that stuff out when I pull this off. There you go. I can't drill these holes either until I pull the bumper off. But I'll take care of all that stuff then. As of right now, though, I'm pretty damn happy with it. You see, I welded nuts on the other side of this. Then my other hitch part here goes on. Okay, there's 4 bolts. Bolt on this actual hitch part so it's removable. You can see when I take those 4 bolts off, this will be completely invisible, that bracket up here. But fitment is pretty damn good. Okay, got the bumper off, drilled the holes I needed. Got these 2 here, and then the ones on the back side as well. So that is 7 bolts holding this to the bumper itself, and then the 4 bolts for this bad boy here. From the factory, this big old bumper is held on by only 3 out of these 4 bolt holes, but it's real easy to just add that 4th one, so now there's 8 1/2-inch bolts holding the bumper on. For my tiny little trailer, should be good to go.